Welcome to the age of the connected pet. An age where your pet's medical records travel with you wherever you go. An age where I can check my pet into a pet daycare by bumping my phone. An age where my pet is truly enabled by digital data. I have been told my whole life that I have my head in the clouds, that I'm a dreamer, that I'm impractical. I told my first grade class that I wanted to be a wizard. In middle school, I wanted to learn karate. In high school, I wanted to play the bass. As an adult, I want to put the power of the internet into the paws of our furry friends. Let's face it, humans have had their chance. I know what you're thinking. My head is still in the clouds. Not so. Not with blockchain. Not with pet tech.
Many pets have a microchip implant which is typically scanned by veterinarians. SkyPet leverages this pet ID to both identify and encrypt the data on the Ethereum blockchain.
Ethereum is a blockchain which features Turing-complete functions which are stored as bytecode that exposes events and data in an immutable, secure manner. It incentivizes security via cryptocurrency and proof of stake.
SkyPet is governed by a secure smart contract where pet stakeholders can interact with the smart contract in an easy-to-use, centralized manner. For example, pet owners can view their personal pet data on mobile and web applications, and even upload their updates on Facebook and Twitter. Veterinarians can scan a pet and immediately view the relevant medical details and history without calling other vets or a pet registry. Pet Internet of Things companies can also take advantage of network effects and the low cost of the SkyPet API to quickly and effectively scale their business.
Yes, exactly, Chris. So you see, my head is not in the clouds anymore. Instead, I live in the world of SkyPet, a world where anything is possible.